Total get Ogbonge relationship. Now President Muhammadu Buhari na yarn this one. And this Ogbonge informate where they reach una so now on top with tori for today. As Naija President Muhammadu Buhari don talk say the collabo wey dey with Naija and Total no be today tori, as e don tey and e strong well. E tok this one when e host Total Group for State House, as e tok say the join body so e wan make e strong pass the way e take be and make it last well. President Buhari come promise say better social and economy life go dey kampe for Naija people. Sake of say this one go let people wey dey do business fit do business for the country and make better money. E tok say this one na government work and na wetin dem suppose do. Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Total Group Worldwide, Patrick Poyan, e tok say apart from say oil and gas na im be the work wey the company dey do, dem still ready divert solar power for Naija. E tok say dem portfolio big as dem get plenty projects to do, and Naija get better level for oil and gas, the one wey be say e go make better divert enter the country. E tok say make Naija continue to dey work as e be say chance dey well make the country catapult waka far pass where e don reach. Na here we see am reach as President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am for State House Abuja say Naija and Total company dem get Ogbonge relationship, and e tok this one as e host the company for State House Abuja. Make una come sabi say dis clear informate wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. As our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.